These are the acrylic waterfall Longrun fountains. Let's increase the brightness here. It looks so much better in person. This is our pump. That waterfall fills up with water and it spills it out. Crazy that I built this. What's up, everybody? So as you know, you've been working on this fire pit right here, and we finally are ready to install our fountains. Wow. These are the acrylic waterfall Longrun fountains. Why did we choose these? Because they're plastic, but we're not going to be taking them out. I'll show you how we installed it, how we hooked it up with the pump. And you can see the LEDs working, so that's a good sign. So this is where the water comes through. This is our pump. What is this for? Well, if you have a swimming pool and you want to have a nice fountain feature, if you have a garden pond, again, but we are doing this part of the waterfall inside the wall. And of course, if you have a rockery waterfall, you can also use these water fountains for this. It only operates on 6 watts of power, and the recommended pump is 3,000 to 3,500 liters per hour. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. You got your remote control, a waterproof, outdoor, winterproof AC adapter. You can see that everything is protected. This is your LED controller. Connect this end to the pump, and that's how you get your LEDs. Also, they gave you Teflon tape, all the clamps, all the connectors to connect the provided hose to the pump. So here's all the stuff that you got. You got your waterproof belt length and stainless steel nut clip fastening ring. You also have a PVC black explosion proof tube. In terms of the T's and couplings, this is it right here. I can definitely tell you we're gonna have to get a longer version of this because this is not long enough for what we want. So the acrylic plastic is not going to corrode or rust in the winter. There's no parts in here that are anything except plastic. If you're going to be doing a garden pond, then do it this way and then have the water come in from underneath to the back, but have it this way. If you're building this in the wall like we are, then do it this way, because then this is going to rest on the stone and it's going to create that extra support, and you're not going to scratch the top of the acrylic. Before you install this, if you're never going to remove this for the winter, add an extra layer of like PL or silicone right here on the edge and right here. If you're going to be taking it in and out, what's going to happen is that you may accidentally just kind of like bump this. Like the tube on the inside of the LED is right here. So if we remove this tape, we can basically pull this out. Let me show you how this looks. Basically, take this LED connector from the fountain, take this, I already plugged this in, and we just connect this together. There you go. So here's our remote control. We can basically turn this on, different colors. Of course, the app has a lot more options of colors, and this is universal, so this will control every single one of these that you have. So if you have 4, this one will control all 4, so you can change just one color, update it on all of them. The cool thing is this also has an app control, and if you're smart, you can use IFTT to connect it as well to Google Assistant or Alexa, so you can control the waterfall colors with your voice. Hey Google, turn on waterfalls. What? Sick! And here's what they look like during the day. So let's go and turn this off. Let's go lift our grate. And let's show you how this works. So again, this pipe connected to the waterfall goes underneath. And it's plugged in to the pipe right here. This is our pump. We've covered this whole thing with rocks just for a nice effect, and this is a metal crate that you can stand on. We've placed this metal crate because we have a little kid and we just wanted a nice visual without seeing the water and the pump. Whoa. So we have a smart switch. There you go. So there's your water flowing. That one doesn't have enough water, but it's working. So this is kind of what it's doing when there is enough water. So really it's the pump that's going to have an issue, but you can see the water still flowing. But if you want that, you just need to fill it with water. Vivo Sun pump we are using is 1,600 gallons per hour, which is not enough for a solid flow. So I installed a bigger version of the Vivo pump that throws out 2,700 gallons per hour, and you can see that the water stream is solid. It's almost nighttime, but I wanted to show you guys how these Longrun waterfalls work. So this is the remote. The great thing about this one is it works with any waterfall you may have, so it's universal. So let's go and turn these on. We have 2. There you go. So you can see that one button controls both waterfalls, off, on. If I wanted to change the light, yellow, blue, fuchsia, and this is just with the remote. Now the remote also has the ability to set your timers. All right, so let's get rid of that and set our modes from changing different colors to just be normal color. There we go. So again, blue, fuchsia. I like my blue the best. All right, so let's go and increase the dimness. So this is the dimmest. Second level, third, fourth. That's the brightest right here. Now that is bright, isn't it? Let me step back so you guys get an idea. You can actually see the reflections of the fire pit and everything else with it. Now if I turn them off, on. Now let's dim them one more time. The remote works up to about, I want to say 30 feet. So I can turn these on and off from the inside of the house as well, because I have a window facing these. Let's turn on the waterfall. Let's increase the brightness here. There we go. It looks so much better in person. Like so much better. Just gonna try and get close so you guys can get an idea how it looks. I'm gonna dim this. So that's the lowest level. And let's increase it. That's the highest level. So all in all, I am super happy with these Longrun fountains. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.